Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send automatic receipts for payment in Stripe. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your browser and sign into your Stripe account. So from the dashboard, just go ahead and click on settings, the settings icon, which is in the top right corner. Now remember, for you to get your actions live, you have to click on switch to live account. If not, if you're in sandbox, it means you're just testing. So just click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and it's going to take you here. So go ahead and look for the business settings. Now in the business settings, that is where you have business, the business settings section. Just go ahead and click on it. All right, so head over to account settings, click on business, and it takes you here. So from here, just head over and click on customer emails tab, and under emails, email customer about, let's go ahead and check for that. All right. All right, which is supposed to be here. So here, payments. So email customers about, under payments, you have successful payments and you have refunds. Just go ahead and toggle this option that says successful payment. Toggle it on. So once enabled, Stripe will automatically email a receipt to customers after every successful payment, provided an email address is available for the payment. So if you also want customers to receive receipts whenever you issue a refund, just go ahead and enable the refund toggle in the same customer email section. All right, so to make your receipt look more professional, you can return to settings, and from settings, that's on the business, you can just go ahead and click on branding. So on the branding, you can upload your business logo on this page, choose brand colors and preview how your receipts will appear. So Stripe updates the receipts design automatically using these branding settings. Okay, so that's pretty much how it is. Now, before we go, make sure that your payment flow collects the customer's email address. Why? Because Stripe can only send an automatic receipt if an email address is associated with the payment. So if you're using Stripe checkout or payment links, the customer's email is typically collected during checkout. And if you're using Stripe API, include the customer's email or the receipt email parameter when creating the payment. All right, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.